What's happening, guys? Seancutshair here with another video. This is a mid fade with an X part. I got JMT Cuts. If you're not following him, check him out. JMT Cuts. He's one of my barbers at Clutch. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got a 1,000 sub giveaway coming soon. It's going to be a bottle of 245 No Drip, the Tennessee Orange Shave Gel from 245, and also one of my color enhancement cards. If you guys haven't seen them, make sure you stay tuned in this video. You'll see it. And you guys can order one at the link in the description. So make sure you check that out. You know the drill, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys would, please leave me some comments below on what you guys would like to see. As of right now, I'm just kind of doing the cuts that come up on the regular. But if there's anything specific you guys want to see, just leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to touch on it. Kind of like my tool setup video I did, or if you guys want to see any specific haircuts or designs or whatever, you know, some color enhancement, whatever you guys want to see. Just leave me a comment below and hit the thumbs up, guys. We're gonna get right into this video and I'll catch you guys next time. What's going on, guys? Back with another video. This is going to be a low to mid fade with a X part. We originally wanted to do a super low fade into some weight, but it just hadn't quite grown back yet, and I wanted to get a video out for you guys. So it's going to be a low fade. We're going to start right here with our bald guideline. I'm just going to use the hairline that goes around his ear and then kind of bring it to the front and drop it a little bit so that we can keep the C cup, and then drop it in the back as well. We're going to bald out everything with the slimline and then come underneath with the skeletons just to get it a little bit more bald, and then we'll come in with the shaver underneath that and get it all the way down to skin. Alright, guys, we're going to go in with our cordless wall seniors and set our open section about 3/4 of an inch to an inch up from the bald line. Then we'll start with our lever closed and start to work that line out. If you guys saw my tutorial on JT before, I wouldn't say he has hard hair, but something about it, just lots of dark spots left in there. So you guys are going to see every time I work my way up, there's going to be some dark spots left underneath from whatever I put that section in with. So for example, we're going to work out this line with the slim line, and then you're going to see some spots underneath the slim line that I'm going to have to come back with the skeletons and take out. Just where the slim line's put in too harsh of a line. We'll do the same with the open clipper, and then we'll have to come back and use it to take that out. And the same thing when we get up to the one, we're going to have to put the one guard back on and go back and take some spots out. So you guys are going to see me kind of rework this and work my way back down after I finish certain steps. And really that's just kind of how his hair's laying. I haven't given the skin fade in a while. It just took a little more work than I was used to. So we started with our slim line. We're going to go in here with a closed clipper. Then whatever is above that, we'll go with a half open clipper and work the rest of that section out. Guys, kind of funny, I'm just going to point out that it was our first snow day in Kentucky, and where I'm at, we're not very prepared, so they actually canceled school today. I wouldn't even call it an inch of snow, but just a lot of back roads that aren't cleaned up. But anyways, as you can see, nothing going on at the shop. It's actually my day off, and I came up there to cut JT, so I don't think you're going to see a single haircut going on in the background. But slow day, came in, got him a haircut while he didn't have anything going on, so I can put some content out for you guys. So back at it, we're going in with the half open and kind of using some lever play here to work out some dark spots. And then we're going to go in with our open one and start the next section. Again, we're going to use our open one, go up about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and try to leave a soft guideline. Like I said, his hair, for whatever reason, was just really taking some harsh guidelines. So you're going to have to see me, or you're going to see me go back and work that out when we get above it. But now we're going to close it up and start to work this line up. Alright, we're going to go in with our half guard here and try to get anything that's left between the open section and the one section. And like I said before, guys, we are going to have to take this guard off and go back with an open clipper and just finish up this last part of this blend. See right there, it's super dark right there at the front, and after I work it for a minute, I realize I'm gonna have to go back with an open clipper and work that out. Kind of the same there in the back at the end of the section that we're working on. So again, guys, just adjust, just understand what you're doing. If the half guard doesn't get it, then we know we need to take the guard off and go to an open clipper, and just be careful as we go in there and try to take that dark spot out. You guys can see we have that clipper up on the corner. We're just using 2 or 3 teeth to go after those dark spots so we don't do any damage. Alright, we're going to go in with our 2 guard close, and I'm just flicking out into the weight that's above it. Kind of like the hairstyle we did before on him, he's going to wear this real messy and real loose. So what we're doing, we're really just attacking this line above the 1 guard and trying not to affect the hair that's above that. So we did the 2, now we have the 1.5, and we'll just work that line out, and what we can't get, we'll close it up. And if that doesn't work, then we'll go back to our 1 guard and get anything that's left at the very end. There's some clients in the back. I wasn't paying attention, I guess. Guess we got a few haircuts, so good to see. You guys know about them slow days, so it happens. Kentucky, we don't get snow very often, so when it comes, everybody kind of stops what they're doing for a couple days. But we will get back to it here soon, and hopefully we don't get any more snow. And here we are with the 1 guard, guys, just touching up anything that's left that we didn't get before. And I believe I'm going to keep working my way down and just kind of perfect this blend before we move on to the other side. Edge him up here pretty natural, just give him somewhat of a straight edge there, and then edge the C cup up down into the bald fade. We will be coming back and doing some color enhancement just a little bit to just kind of fill in that front so we don't have to push him back to give him a sharp line. Alright guys, you know the drill. We're going to time lapse this, same steps as before. And watching me again, we're just gonna have to, as I work my way up, I'm gonna work my way back down and take out any dark spots that we have. And kind of a learning experience on his hair today. I haven't done a skin fade in a long time, and I'm just leaving some dark spots. So you guys will see it again, but just follow along, and then we'll catch up when we get to the X part and the color enhancement. You guys can't see very well from this angle, but as you can see it right there, he doesn't really have a great C-cup, so that's something we do when we do a special kind of tutorial haircut, or if I cut him for a weekend or something. I'll kind of give him a C-cup and put some color on it just for that day, and then really once that goes away, he just kind of has the vertical bar. Just doesn't grow in great, so sometimes guys will just throw a little color on there and make it look a little extra for an event or something, and it goes a long way. Guys, I'm going to put the X part in now. This was originally, we planned to do this really low fade with the X part. So I threw it in here last second. To be honest, it's not my favorite that I've done. It is the first time I've done an X. It's a little bit low, so I don't get much pop on it because there's not enough hair there. Same as doing two of the notch parts, but you're just going to cross them. I am going to use some color to make this pop. Again, we're just going to kind of make it look sharp. Really for a picture for the video, and they can get to look fresh for a couple days, but that's really going to disappear here in a couple days. But I'm just going to bold it out, and then we'll put some color on it and go in with our razor and really sharpen it up. Alright guys, going in with the 245 no drip. This is my color enhancement card I've told you guys about. If you don't have one, go check the link in the description, or it'll be at the end of the video. It's just going to give us all the angles to spray this color, and then get beamed. Don't get mad at me about the compressor, man. I hope you're seeing this. I hope you're mad every time you see it that I don't have a compressor, because I need one. So that is just a corded air compressor, guys. I am talking about the 245 Get Beamed, the Beam Team XL cordless compressor. So I'm still waiting to get my hands on one. If you guys have one, leave me a comment below and let me know how you like it. Just finishing up here with some color. We're going to put some 245 shave gel on there and go in with our exposed razor and clean the design out, and you guys can see the end result. Alright guys, here's the finished product. This is a mid fade with an X part with color enhancement. We didn't touch the top, but this is a crop top on top. He needs it cut, doesn't he? If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. We're about to hit 1,000, and we're going to do 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So suggest this to your friends that need to watch some tutorials, and we'll catch you guys next time.